Hi friends, in this video I will explain the serialization and deserialization. Serialization is the process of converting an object into a stream of bytes, and the process of recreating that object from that stream of bytes is called deserialization. The purpose and use of serialization and deserialization is to save the state of an object so that object can be created when required. The object is serialized to a stream which carried not just the data but information about the object's type such as its version, culture and assembly name. From that stream, it can be stored in database, a file or memory, or can be transferred over network. We will see by example. I have written some code like I have a class tutorial. Now we need to serialize the object of this class. I will explain it later. Suppose there is a class tutorial and there are three fields for this class: title, page count and author. Now there is a method to serialize this class and write it to an XML. This is the class. So we assign some dummy data to the fields of this object, tutorial class object, and we are using XML serializer to serialize the object of tutorial class. So to use this XML serializer, we need to write here using system.xml.serialization, and we are using file stream. So for it we need to use using system.io. Okay, so now it will serialize this object and will write to an XML to this location, C temp serialize. So it will write to that location. Now we will call this method to serialize. Okay, so we will see by debugging step by step. So here it is like created an object of tutorial class. Now it is assigning some dummy value to the fields. Then after we are creating the XML serializer object. So it is basically the creating a XML serializer object which is according to the type of tutorial class. Now we initialize the path where we need to save this XML, and now the writer.serialize method of this writer object, it will serialize to this file. This is the object we need to serialize. So after executing this line, it creates this XML. So it contains the value which we assigned as a dummy value, like title, page count and author. So this is basically the serialization, and for deserialization I have written a code like read XML. Now we will see the read XML. We will create the object from that XML. Commented write XML code. Now it will execute only read XML. Okay, so this is the path, same path, where we serialize that object, tutorial class object. Now from that location we read in this object. We are creating the object by deserializing the content of that XML. So it created the object and it has those fields and same value which we assigned earlier. So this is the process of serialization and deserialization in C#. Thanks for watching the video.